afternoon, Mirabel members. We are racing to the finish line with our project, and we are almost there. Thank you so much for your support and patience during this time. As you can see, we have wonderful outdoor spaces for you to enjoy. And now for one of your last weekly construction updates. Punch list items in the bar and throughout the building are being completed. Final touches in the bar are being completed. Televisions have been installed and are ready for your viewing pleasure. The grounds for the new event lawn is being graded. Sod will be installed the first week of March. Fire pit dining tables have been built and placed. Final landscaping is taking shape around the fire pit dining tables. All patio furniture has been installed. The A.R. Mays construction trailer will be removed from the parking lot on February 12th. We will continue to keep you posted on our final progress. And I'm just wondering, who is going to be the first member to have the first drink in our new bar?